Hello YouTubers, for the second part of, well, whatever the hell you want to call this really. Sort of a Team Rocket opening, sort of an absolute epic failure of existence. But yeah, on with the show. So next we have a Team Rocket random pack. I don't know who the hell it is, and I don't really care. Let's go. What I really want to see in this box of 72 packs is a full set. Then I would be absolutely chuffed. So, I suppose half a set would not be the end of the world, but I would like to get a complete set if possible. I'm really having to stretch here. Diglett, Drowsy, Teeny, Bonita, Magnemite, oh, Meow, Duke Gas Attack, Dr. Trio Hollow, nice one, Dr. Dabra, there's an uncommon, the Boss's Way, and a Magikarp. How is a Magikarp? How is this Magikarp an uncommon? I'm sorry, but no. Magikarp is not an uncommon. It is a common at very most. I don't even think it deserves the common status. Let's just move this up a tad. Next pack. I've got my back to the microphone, which really does not help. And my post is going. Could much more go wrong with YouTube? Let's find out. So, Jesse and James. When they used to look awesome, but now they look strange. Well, I suppose that is still very disturbing, but compared, they ain't got nothing on the new ones. In my opinion, Black and White is not as good as any previous game. Yep, you can troll and hate all you want, but that is my opinion. I've much preferred the Game Boy games than any other games. And unfortunately I did not own those two. Teeny, Drowsy, Good Gusto, Zubat, Ekans, Machop, Monkey, Dark Hypno, and it's the rare. Dark Primeape, Dark Jolteon, and Nightly Garbage Run. I will just be one and I have cards to refill into a point. This is not working. Oh god. How do people stack these things so beautifully? What should I say? So beautifully? No, that doesn't really work. So anyway, next pack. Ta-da! Right. Start doing my own sound effects. Chipping. Okay, that's not right. Da-na-na-na-na-na. No. Echo. Matchup. It's like a muscle guy with 3 tacos on top. Monkey, Shaw, Creep, Magnemite, Coughing, ooh, Meow, Dark Dragonite, very impressed. I have wanted this card for a long time. Main reason I actually bought into the set. But check out that hollow. Dark Muck, which I don't have. Dark Flareon, which I do have, the Leo energy, which I don't have. I don't think I might have. I'm not sure if I have. I'm not checking. Not enough time. So this video is 5 minutes already. Wow, time does fly when you're having no fun. Jared is back. You know what? I'm gonna move this a little bit closer, just so it's easier for me to reach. Because my back is now broken. It's much better. Oh, wait, no it isn't. Wait, yes, no, not sure. Offshore rock. Yes, I am placing the principal offshore rock. All you can really see is decks of the Pokedex 3D. But, yeah. I really could have arranged this a lot better. If you can still hear me, then this is great. But if not, then it's not so good. Oh my god. What is going on with my webcam? Whoa. Sparkles. There are any sparkles. Okay. Hopefully. Okay, there's a Homer in the background, it's really strange. I'm not sure. I have just wasted 2 minutes of your lives, YouTubers. I apologise. My webcam is being an absolute pain. Clearly, much more could go wrong for this YouTuber. Anyway, Jarvis. Okay, the light's back. Dun 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 dun. Oh, not good, not good. Abra, Ekans, Psyduck, Charmander, Machop, Slowpoke, Dark Raticates is a common, Dark Weezing is a rare, Dark Gloom, no, Dark Wartortle, and Dark Persian. Might just have my pile of commons and uncommons here just to make it slightly easier. Yeah. Another pack. Another day. I'm not going to do that again. Another day, another day. Yeah, I'm going to do that again. I have just absolutely blitzed all these packs. I was hoping to save some for the custom packs, but so much for that idea. I can never have anything nice. Diglett. Sleep. I'm having to hold these at an angle because if I held them straight, it's what they come out like to you guys. So, sleep. Squirtle. Bikini. Magnemite. Ponyta. Drowsy. Dark Hypno is the rare. Oh, damn it, I put one of the comments in the rare pack. I am so clever. This is really going to get me with Jarvis. I don't know, whatever. Let's say an Architect. Dark Vaporeon, Dark Dragonair, and Dark Charmeleon. All very nice. Very, very nice. And common, no. On my rare pile again. All very nice and commons. Common. Da-da. Da-da-da-da. Da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. I'm getting really bored of this webcam. You know what, guys, I might, unfortunately for some of you guys who like to see openings, I might just open the lock and do a single. Squirt up. Sleep. Sleep well. Teeny, drowsy, Anita. Yeah, when I get my other camera, this would be so much better. Dark Hypno in Hollow. Do not have. Digger. Dark Maturk. I do have. Dark Charmeleon, I have 20 of now, I think. Wait, no, not quite 20. Close. Close. 3 is close to 20. By my mathematical standard. Nobody judge me. I'm getting A's and A stars for a reason. I'm appalling. What do we have here? It's a coughing! The poison gas Pokemon. He is 2 foot tall and weighs 2 pounds. Guessing that's mostly because he's gas. Number 58. But number 109 on the official Pokédex. Wow, that's amazing, even though it means nothing. Oddish is green. No, wait, yes. It's green! The hell? Psyduck is almost green. Slowpoke is pink. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this. Squirtle is purple. Okay, I promise now. That's the rare Dark Arbok. Dark Dragonair. Dark Muck. And Challenge. I still got my designs on. And I'm gonna end the video with an awesome view of the design. And goodbye.